Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on our topic cryptocurrency. Today we will discuss in detail about BlackRock might be on a track to create history with $2 billion inflow in spot Bitcoin ETF in a week. According to FX Street report, cryptos VanEck heard a digital asset research stated BlackRock has over $2 billion lined up in incremental flow in the first week. This would create a new record as history of ETF launches. It would be the largest volume. VanEck itself expect about $2.5 billion in trading volume in the first quarter of trading. Senator Warren backed better markets and sent a last-minute letter to the SEC secretary asking for rejection of the spot Bitcoin ETF. The spot Bitcoin ETF race is in its last leg, and the competition seems to be heating up with the BlackRock set to blow its competitor out of the water. The world's largest manager apparently has billions of dollars lined up in the first week, which would create history in the ETF market. BlackRock set to nuke the ETF market. During a recent Twitter Spaces event, the head of digital assets research at VanEck, Matthew Segal, stated that BlackRock would be likely create a new record for the largest flow of the volume for the first day or week of trading for an exchange traded fund. The quote provided by the Block's editor in the chief and the host of said Twitter space read, I heard from a pretty well placed sources that BlackRock has more than $2 billion lined up in a week one in a new incremental flows from the existing Bitcoin holders who are adding to position. I cannot vouch for that, but you know that what everyone is doing. Just making phone calls and trying to find the folks who can write checks into these products, and our estimate that if that $2 billion happened in a week one, that would blow away our estimates. Per the comment, Seigel went on to provide VanEck's estimated trading volume from the spot Bitcoin ETF in the first quarter, which based on the past flows in the first gold ETF and adjusting by US money supply, is set at $2.5 billion. This set their 2-year target at $40 billion. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Belknap, while they did not validate the comment, did provide some credibility by saying, this caught by Aten 2 had not heard this but it would be brand of for BlackRock. They have lined up and injecting big cash into new ETF. On first day of trading, so it registers as volume flows. If it's true, 2 billion would blow away all first day per week volume on record for an ETF attempt at stopping Bitcoin ETF. While most of the TradeFi market along with the crypto market is keenly awaiting approval and launch of the spot Bitcoin ETFs, an entity known as Bettermarks in attempting a last-minute obstruction in the process. The non-profit known to be supported by Senator Elizabeth Warren in the past sent a letter to the Secretary of the Securities and Exchange Commission saying the regulatory body should reject the ETF request. The supplemental letter also asked the SEC not to let the grayscale lawsuit ruling interfere with the regulators' earlier standing of rejecting the application. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Efford tweeted addressing the letter that it would be criminal to accept better markets request at the 11th hour.